I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident I win to the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silence, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're bringing our city back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
And we are finally back to business.
If you guys are loyal supporters of us on YouTube, you have realized that we have not been posting a lot of videos as we used to. So I want to apologize for that before we get started. Reason we did that is because, as you can tell, we got a new setup. We were in the process of a move, but all that is over. So let's finally get back to business.
So for our welcome back video, so to speak, we're going to do a full restoration on a pair of Pure Money 4s. Now, if you know what Pure Money 4s are, they're supposed to be white. And trust me, they're not.
These are super beat, but that's enough talking from us, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Hopefully you like it. We're going to turn these beaters into heaters. Let's go ahead and get into the first step, guys.
P.S. Check out the hoodies.
Alright, let's get it.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people.
Ooh, where I come from, it ain't peaceful. So I'm sliding with a weapon that's lethal. On the hunt for the evil. And that's the cops, cause they ain't treating us equal. They kill a black and get away like it's legal. They get away like it's legal. So many times, since way back, it's a sequel. It's pure facts, most crack is deceitful. We need unity in this world like crackheads need they needle. It's enough heart to spread around to the needful. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like, what's wrong with my people? I'm too solid to ever switch. Don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when all my trust in his ego, huh? And I ain't never told my nigga. Live sealed so my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on my illa. Rather do 100 years than a whole, my nigga.
I was never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people. Some niggas folded on me, but I never fold. Fuck niggas, boy, I don't fuck with those. Katie been grinding, nigga. You know I'm on my toes. I do this for my mama, I put that on my soul. Your baby boy done did it now. Yeah, he killing now. Yeah, they fuck with me now. Yeah, ooh, Katie, I'm that nigga now. But niggas want me down, come flicking knock down. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on, so we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more. And when I'm down, just hold me down low. And I promise it won't be for long. Promise it won't be for long. Cause I put my all in this shit, so I'm going off of this shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going off of this shit, cause I put my all in this shit.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people.
Yeah, yeah. I said my people need change. I put my faith in my hustle instead of minimum wage. I put my all into this shit. If I don't hustle, I don't eat. So I grind until I'm dead and get my rest when I'm deceased. Yeah, yeah. My family depending on me to make a way. My family in danger. I walk you down like a hallway. Get active in traffic and leave you park like a driveway. Yeah. I need unity from my people. We need peace and communities for my people. Cause if we have unity, they can't beat us. If we have peace and community, they can't beat us. But I can't lose none of my people. I won't let it slide. I can't let it happen. If I lose one of my brothers, that means granny. We gon' get rebranded in your shit. Leave that bitch vandalized and blow this 40 like a wish after a dandelion. I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people.
These TNO niggas said they charging for features and shit.
I hear these niggas talking about they gonna be legends and shit next year,
Hell
man.
no.
Man, Shut the fuck up. My pockets ain't gonna be aching with all this money we making. Niggas shady, going crazy. We don't need you niggas hating. I've been patiently waiting. I see this for the taking. And we gon' rock the town. Got this motherfucker yanking. I'm a new nigga coming in the game like a sub. Can't nobody take me out. My people showing me love. Ain't in this shit for the fame. I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest. I want it all. I promise. I'm confident. I win till the devil. I'm the hottest. We young and black. We got the city on our back. For a fact. Tryna shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil. I ain't never had to move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're bringing our city back.
Got looked at like a peasant till approached by legends. Dedication and ambition, know I'm destined for blessings. You know I'm headed. If you asleep, then you go regret it. Feathers for letters, they go hear us from Fresno to Paris. And when they holler who the hottest, TNO, we in the conversation. All in, we on they necks until we suffocate. 2019, we taking over the nation, causing migration, money on monster truck like a Caucasian.
This that shit talk. Nigga, let me talk my shit. For my brothers at these clips, like legs, we stacking chips. Let a nigga get his grip, so it's over now. Me and my clique, you know we bout to shut it down. Like a track when we run the town. Niggas quiet like a church mouse when we come around. If you pop up, then we pop up, nigga, we gon' run you down.
Nigga, it's TNO bust down. You already know it is. Rockin' running your town, nigga. Fat chain with the plate and the diamonds. I got the juice, so bitch, do what I say like I'm Simon. Tino in your state, finna blow, perfect timing. Weaving in the field all day like a lineman. Grinding, I need a foreign car. Got it out the tar like a star, I'm shining. Look how the stars aligning. The sky is the limit and we steady climbing. Keep up with the movement, cause you know it's not rewinding. Mr. Shit Talker, I'm coming like kamikaze. One false move, somebody gon' miss somebody. Niggas out here shooting, but hitting innocent bodies. I got demons all around us, killing shit for our hobbies. Remember I was broke, bitches treated me bad. Now these hoes chosen because I'm getting the bag. Had a fucked up situation, but it is what it is. I'ma keep talking my shit, and that's on my mama kids. Hey, I might just sign me a free agent. 10 toes down, stay the state on the pavement. If it's beef, then let's eat, nigga, stay it. Always straight, never swerve, never line switch, bitch.
We pull up, we hop out finesse. Young Echo, I pull up, I flex. Designer, everything, I fresh. Young Echo, I pull up finesse. Been grinding, don't got time for rest. It's all gon' work out for the best. Haters gon' hate, I'm like, I'll be my guest. I'm still gon' go off like a tech. And I call the shots like the ref call the tech, like the ref call the tech. So when I pull up on her, all these bitches on my nerves. Say you love me, I'm like word. I pull off, then I skirt. We pull up, flex, hop out, finesse. Pull up, flex, hop out, finesse. We pull up, we hop out, we flex. Pull up, we hop out finesse. Pull up, we hop out, we flex. We pull up, we hop out finesse.
Pull up, flex. Diamonds on me dancing, something icy on my neck. She in it for relation, but I'm strictly by the check. If it ain't by the check, then I can't hear like I'm there. She said she love how I flex. Drop the top and take off like a jet. Touch cabbage until I'm pronounced dead. I'm a rookie, but maneuver like a vet. Never hesitant to slide down your residence. No evidence, and I don't fuck with niggas like I'm prejudiced. Never hesitant to slide down your residence. No evidence, and I don't fuck with niggas like I'm prejudiced. If you ain't got no haters, you ain't poppin'.
Alright, that's it for today's video.
If you guys enjoyed that banger, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. Also comment in it. Let us know how you feel about us being back. Let us know what kind of things you would like to see from here on forward. Also, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe and never forget to check out spr15.com.
Hold it right there. While we're on the subject of subscribing, visit the site, create an account, and subscribe to our monthly newsletter. You can go ahead and continue.
Yes, the reason he brought that up is spr15.com has made a lot of adjustments in the time we were off of YouTube. So go ahead and check it out, see what's new. Let us know if you're fucking with it down low in the comment section. As always, our contact information is in the description. So if you ever want to contact us, check out spr15.com. It's in the description, and that's all. But before we go, we want to leave y'all with this.
This snippet of motivation. Never be afraid to give up the good to shoot for the great. So from your boys here at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
Signing off for the first time in a while. George aka Sticks.
It's only one way.
Let's get it.
We gon' shut it down, and they gon' hate us now, and we gon' rock the town.